I get so many mechanical engineering, civil engineering, and electronics undergrad students saying that they want to pursue a master's in computer science. They tell me that all the money is there and there are great job opportunities. Baat to sahi hai, there's a lot of money for computer science grads, but can you make this transition? Maybe you can, and I'm going to tell you how. Stay tuned. So I'm Srikar Sanapareddy. I'm the co-founder of Gradvine and I'm an Ivy League graduate myself. At Gradvine, over the last 6 years, we've guided thousands of candidates to the top masters in computer science, MIS, software engineering and computer engineering programs. Our admits include MIT, Stanford, Harvard, Carnegie Mellon, UC Berkeley, UT Austin, and every single top 50 school in the US. So you know that the information coming is absolutely authentic. Now let's address the elephant in the room straight away. Can somebody from a non-computer science background apply to computer science programs and get in? Now, of course, I'm talking about the good computer science programs, not the nonsense ones. So keep that fact in mind before you process the information that I'm giving you. Now, every good masters in computer science program in the US, or in fact even in other countries, will ask for 4 prerequisites in your undergraduate transcript for you to be eligible for the program. These 4 prerequisites are database management systems, data structures and algorithms, object-oriented programming, and operating systems. Majority of non-CS undergraduate programs in India, these 4 prerequisites are invariably absent in the transcript. You may have one of them or 2 of them, and therefore 1 or 2 are invariably missing. Therefore, while computer science programs in the US say that people from all backgrounds are welcome, they say that these people need to have these 4 prerequisites, and like I pointed out right now, it is unlikely you have them if you are from a non-computer science undergrad. Of course, IT, AI, ML and data science undergrads do have these prerequisites, so you can straight away apply to an MSCS program, but mechanical engineering, civil engineering, electronics, electrical or any other such fields may not have these prerequisites. Therefore, it is not advised that you apply. So what happens if you go ahead and apply to a CS program without these 4 prerequisites anyways? Well, the first thing could be you could be rejected straight out. This is because CS programs have high competition and invariably a lot of these universities are going to have a lot of good CS undergrad applicants applying. So there's no reason to take a non-CS undergrad. Second thing could be that the university will give you the admit, but they say that you have to take these prerequisites during an additional semester as part of the program. This increases the costs of the programs much more. Alright, just a break in the flow here. You would be happy to know that we've done 2 videos. One listing the top 50 computer science programs in the US that you can check out by clicking here. And we've also done 5 underrated computer science programs that you can also watch by clicking right here. So far I've only told you something negative, right? You can't apply. But Gradvine is about providing solutions. Here's how you can transition into CS roles or move into programs similar to a CS so that you can build a career in the domain. One popular way that you can move into CS roles or a CS related masters is by getting 1 or 2 years of work experience in a software or an IT company and applying to a degree known as the MIS, which is the Management and Information Systems degree. Now, MIS programs have database management systems and data structures and algorithms as part of their core curriculum. Therefore, you are fulfilling that need as part of the degree itself, and you're also building a skill set. A lot of MIS grads go into software engineering, data engineering roles. Additionally, you can also choose to apply to data analytics degrees if you are interested in data science, machine learning and AI sort of roles as well. Now, for all of you who come from electronics and communications engineering backgrounds, of course, the branch that is supposed to combine both the software and hardware side of things, you can choose a different approach. If you do not want to get work experience, you can straight away go ahead and apply to computer engineering degrees and take as many electives from the CS department as you want. Now, within US universities, electronics and computer science are by and large considered very similar. Therefore, the elective pool available to computer engineering graduates also is very vast. If you take 30 to 40% of the core courses within the CE domain, you can take as many electives as you want across AI, ML and data science or any other computer science related electives and move into core software engineering or data engineering or any CS related roles. Now, what about the mechanical and civil engineers who don't want to get work experience and apply for an MIS? What do? Well, for you guys, the options become a little limited and you have to navigate it in a tricky manner. Now, I've known a lot of mechanical engineers and electrical engineers and chemical engineers go ahead and apply to industrial engineering engineering degrees and take a lot of data related electives and try and move into data scientist roles. This has been happening in the recent past and it's possible for you as well. Irrespective, industrial engineering is a good option for all of you who come from the traditional non-circuit branches of engineering, because there are employment opportunities across the supply chain and operations management domain which are plentiful. Now you can also choose to pursue an engineering management degree if you want to move into product roles within the software domain. This is also a promising transition. However, if you want to shift to coding related roles, the best way you can do it is by getting 1 or 2 years of work experience as stated earlier and applying for a master's in information systems or a data analytics or a business analytics degree. Alright, so let me summarize the options for non-CS undergrads to move into coding related roles. If you are from a mechanical, civil, chemical or a non-circuit branch, then get a couple of years of work experience and then go into an MIS degree or an analytics degree. That's the best way you can transition to a CS role. Or for electronics and communications engineering graduates, you can get the couple of years of work experience in the software and IT domain and move into an MIS or analytics degree. Or if you want to go without work experience, you can apply for a computer engineering degree and eventually apply to the same role that CS grads will. I hope that this information was useful and I've given you some sort of gyan on how you can break into the jobs that make you a lot of money. Now, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and be sure to schedule a free consultation with us at www.gradvine.com or click the link in the description to understand what the best program for you is based on your undergraduate degree and profile.